O pa, kung sa imong maingon sa imong kuwan, nga nangani naman ka dire.
Pakudak ta, uy.
Sa mga fans nimo. Oh.
Sino po, ma'am?
Na problema man si Papag na kay unsa.
Hakot nanguha mayo na mo po me. Murag kapi ka dagko.
Na problema man siya dako unsa na niya pagpuno.
Gusto gani mapuno ni.
Look at me. Pakitain mo, ano, balde.
O ba si Baldi ana ro. Ay nagdala unta ka gagmeng Baldi mang para sa kids.
Mabiya to akong gingon.
Hi mon pai.
Pakitain mo, balde.
We are in but nalimot ko kung sa ngalanan eh. Saskatoon blueberry picking. Hi girls.
Wow, Daddy!
Hi Leng, you're having fun?
Mom,
Hi.
don't video us with your camera while
Why?
following you. Okay? A mosquito bite me, I think. It's itchy. Look, Dad. I'm gonna put water in my bed. Hi, Mama. Look how much I've got.
Wow Leng, so you can put that in the big bucket. Na problema. Paano mapuno?
You can put yours in my bucket.
Naglain pa. No, they've given you the small ones. Amoro gini among gipalit. Oh, para ibutang dire. Baliktad man noon, nakuha mo na yung kwaon. No, mun pa, all of us, we're gonna put that in one bucket and we will pay it.
Okay.
Oh, aning kamot.
Well, I'm gonna make you space, okay?
Who is it? Hi. Where's your bucket? Oh, mamang oh. Papang. Huh? We're picking Saskatoon
We're not in Saskatoon.
berries.
We're actually falling here. Wait, wait.